Actually, no, it's taking.
Huh?
It actually feels heavy. It's taking line. Yeah, that's true. But it doesn't feel like one of those small little bonito that just come right in. Has some weight to it. Could be a little mahi. Stand down though. As soon as you mentioned not even a little bonito, something hit. I don't know, it's going crazy out there though. It's a little tuna species. I don't know if it's a bonito or a tuna, but I'm skipping across now. Let's see, what do we have? No, I think it's a bonito.
Yeah, it's a bonito.
Yeah. Come off right there. The bonito never fail.
Is he? Yeah, it's a little bonito. What was that for?
Oh, there we go. Got something on that weed line. We got something on that weed line. Something not too big, whatever it is.
Huh?
Whatever it is, it's not that big. Well, if it's a schoolie, be ready with the
jack.
Jack. Oh, mahi. I don't know. It's really green. I think it's a mahi.
What color is it?
Yeah, it's right there. Super green. Huh. That looks like a good one.
It might be a keeper. Leave it in the water for a second.
See if any schoolies come with him. Bring him up.
See if he's 20 and we can keep it. It's 20. Maybe.
Yeah, it looks about.
Grab him before he starts making them up.
It's a little too late for that. Going crazy. Oh, I took his eye out.
See if he makes the grade.
Fork. Nah, he's not gonna cut it. He's 19.
19?
Yeah, a little small. Oh, let's circle back around. This one has something. Yeah, this time it didn't even go off. But I know it's on because I see the fish from here. It's another mahi for sure. It's a small one. Some fighter. Actually, this one looks a little bigger than the last one. Actually, maybe around the same size. Yeah, I didn't even take drag. The water, see if any other one's nearby. Huh? Yeah, it could be.
Let him keep scrolling past this shit.
Alright. He unhooked himself. They always do that when they're in the boat. They unhook themselves. Nice. Yeah. Let's see. Nope. 19. Same size. Yeah. Same size as the other one. There we go. Have something. Yeah, I'm making sure I'm tight. I am tight. I have something. On the jig.
That's fun.
Yeah. I've never caught a fish on a jig either. What is it? Tuna.
What is that shit?
Probably.
Maybe yellow jack?
Yeah, I'm checking.
Bring on board when you can.
No, it's a bonito.
Like a bonito. Well, it's a fun fight.
Yeah, especially on the spinning tackle. Move.
Let them get tired before. That's what we were marking down there.
Move.
Swirl on board.
There we go.
He's bigger than the other one, I think.
There he is.
Bonito.
Fat bonito.
Jig. Don't bonito over the boat. Give me pliers. Get out of here, bonito. Fucking missile.
That was fun.
You want to drift over that spot again?
Yeah, why not? Oh, look, there's a big weed patch out there too.
Wash that blood down.
I got it.